Hey, it's Rick here. Well, I'm going to run over and help a friend of mine out a little bit, and he needs to load up some limbs out of his yard, and he doesn't have a truck. We had a storm a while back, and he needs to get his limbs and stuff up out of the yard. So that's what we're going to head over and do. Is that all right with you? Spot. Oh, you know what? Spot needs to put on his PPE. I've got mine hanging up there on the... It's become quite fashionable for everybody to drive around town with their PPE hanging on their rearview mirror, so I thought I'd just join the crowd, you know. I wouldn't want to wear it, but, you know, I would just hang it and show it. So, anyway, alright, show you more. I want to thank everybody for watching all the videos and everything, and subscribing. We're up to 75 subscribers now. So anyway, with that being said, once we get to 100, well, we're going to take everybody that's made comments and we're going to put them in a hat or in a jar or something and draw out a winner for a $50 gift card to Home Depot. So anyway, we'll be getting back with you here in just a minute. Well, looks like he's got a big pile up over here, so may have to take some of that for firewood. So anyway, oh, there's the man with the chainsaw now. Oh. Well, we got to make Derek get out of the seat here. You're gonna have to lay back there. He's awesome. Alright, let's make the first load here. Well, that's load 3, so we got quite a bit done today. Got the pile up, and we're gonna come back and get this stuff, and I'll take that home and cut that up. Some of that's apple, so I want to use that in my smoker and the little stuff. So anyway, alright, I'll show you more. Run, Tallulah, run! Hi, baby.